In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy iPhone 15 on IMI in Amazon. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the phone, add it to your cart, choose an EMI plan with your eligible card, and place your order with confidence. Make sure you're signed into your Amazon account and that your credit or debit card supports EMI. Eligibility, interest rates, and tenure options can vary by bank and region. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. On the homepage, head to the search bar at the top and type iPhone 15, then hit enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the iPhone 15 listing that matches your preferred model. Clicking into the product page helps you confirm details like storage, color, delivery availability, and seller reputation. Take a moment to check ratings and reviews and glance at the price box to see if EMI available or an installment option is mentioned for your card type. Once you're ready, click Add to Cart. Before moving on, double check that the correct variant is selected and that the quantity is set to 1 unless you're buying more. Now click Proceed to Checkout. You'll be taken to the checkout page where you can review your delivery address and expected delivery date. Next, select your payment method. Here's where you'll choose how you want to pay. If you plan to use EMI through your card, click the option to add a new payment method and then choose Add Credit or Debit Card. Enter your card details carefully and only on Amazon's secure payment form. If your card supports EMI, Amazon will then display the available installment options after your card is added. Click Add your card to save it. With your card saved, look for the EMI plans shown for that card. Review the tenure choices such as the number of months and check whether the plan is no-cost EMI or if interest and taxes apply. Amazon usually shows the monthly amount and the total payable, so take a second to confirm you're comfortable with the final cost and the billing cycle. When everything looks good, your address, the iPhone 15 variant, and your EMI selection, go ahead and buy. You'll see an order confirmation screen and receive a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your bank statements for the monthly installment charges as per your selected tenure and track your shipment from the Your Orders section. That's it. You've successfully purchased an iPhone 15 on EMI on Amazon.